Hello friends, you know that in the data structure and algorithm there is one most important topic which is linked list. In this tutorial we have learned what is linked list and what are the type of linked list. Let us start the tutorial with the introduction session. First of all, what is linked list? A linked list is a linear data structure in which the elements are not stored at contiguous memory location. As you know that in array, the elements are stored at a contiguous memory locations. It means that the array length is fixed. But in linked list, the elements are not stored at the contiguous memory locations. You can see in the given figure that there are four nodes which are connected with each other through a link. It is basically an example of singly linked list. I will explain you further what is singly linked list. Here you can see that the nodes are divided into two parts, the data part and the next part. The head is pointing to the first part and the last node is pointing to the null. Now, what are the basic operations that can be performed in the linked list? We can perform insertion operation. It means that we can add the element at the beginning of the linked list, at the end of the linked list, at the given position and after the given position. Deletion. We can delete the first node of the linked list. We can also delete the last node of the linked list. We can delete the node at a given position. Now, display operation. We can display all the elements which are present in the linked list, or we can display the element according to the node. Search. We can also perform the search operation. It means that if we can particularly give some node, some value of the node, then we can search is the element is present on the linked list or not. Types of linked list. Linked lists are of three types: singly linked list, doubly linked list and circular singly linked list. The example which we seen earlier is the example of singly linked list. Now, what is singly linked list? A linked list is a linear data structure. Linked list elements are not stored at a contiguous location, as I told earlier. The elements are linked using pointers. All the elements are linked together by using the pointers. Why we use linked list? Why not array? There are two basic reasons why we should not using array. The size of the array are fixed, but the size of the linked list is not fixed. Inserting a new element in an array of the element is expensive. If we want to insert the element in a linked list, then it can be easy or it is less expensive than the array. So we use linked list instead of array. Now what is doubly linked list? Doubly linked list is a variation of linked list in which navigation is possible in both ways. Navigation is possible, it means that we can search from head to tail or we can search from tail to head. We can move in both the directions, either forward or backward, easily as compared to singly linked list. It is comparatively easier than the singly linked list because it can navigate in both the directions. As you can see in this diagram that the node can contain three fields. One is a previous field which can contain the link of a previous node. Second is a data field in which the node contains the data. The third is a next field which can contain the link of the next node. Now, circular linked list. Circular linked list is also known as circular singly linked list because the circular singly linked list is just like similar to the singly linked list, but there is one exception. The exception is that in a circular singly linked list, the last node is not pointing to the null. The last node is pointing to the start node. Circular linked list is a variation of a linked list in which the first element point to the last element and the last element point to the first element. As you can see in this diagram that The last node of this list is pointing to the first element, not the null. It is just like a circular form. Therefore, we called it circular singly linked list. Thanks for watching this video. In the further videos, we can learn how linked lists can be created, how we can perform the operations on the linked list. Thank you.